Hi, my name is Ilia and today I'll give you a short demo of Mantle Chat. Mantle Chat is a collaboration platform for teams where people can communicate with each other, bring AI directly into their conversations, and work together with shared AI agents. We see it as a modern alternative to Slack, which combines team messaging and AI chats in one place. Let's start with AI chats. In Mantle Chat, you can use models from Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, Grok, DeepSeek, and other providers. You can chat with AI privately or together with your team. Teammates can join the same conversation and see the context and ask follow-up questions. Next, we have channels. Channels work in a similar way to Slack or Discord. Your team can discuss projects, share updates, attach files and links, react with emojis, and create threads. You can also mention an AI model or agent directly inside a channel whenever you need help. You can start voice calls from channels or direct messages. During a call, you can turn on AI notes. After the call, Mantle Chat creates a summary with key decisions and action points. You can also create a task from any message or note. For example, our linear integration lets you create an issue in one click. This badge will take you directly to the linear ticket. Next come canvases. Canvases are collaborative documents for articles, plans, and internal documentation. Your team can edit them together in real time and use headings, tables, images, and code blocks. You can use canvases and upload PDFs and other files as knowledge base to your workspace. You can also use custom instructions so that AI understands your company's context and guidelines. For example, I uploaded a document and asked in this chat what are the SBI codes for Mantle Chat, and the AI found the answer directly inside of the file. Next are agents. You can create a shared AI agent from our template or manually with their own model, instructions, knowledge-based files, and integrations. For example, our Gmail agent can retrieve emails and answer questions like, "What is my latest email?" Agents can also run automated tasks. For example, this task checks emails received overnight, summarizes them, and posts morning digest to a channel. You can also connect tools such as Linear to the channels. This lets your team receive updates and complete tasks without switching between the applications. Mantle Chat also includes global search across messages and canvases. And also it has direct messages and one-to-one calls between team members. Mantle Chat is available as a web and desktop app. We're also working on a mobile app. To summarize, Mantle Chat brings team communication, AI models, calls, documentation, agents, automations, and integrations together in one place. This helps the whole team efficiently work with the same AI tools and context.